did Kyiv change? How did it change throughout the years?
While I was still there?
Yeah.
Well, to me, it was getting more and more beautiful. I think the historical part of the city was enhanced more and more. It was renewed from little to little, more monuments, more historical places. In 1980, in late 80s, they celebrated 1500 years of Kyiv, which is a little exaggerated, but it's really one of the oldest cities in the Slavic area. And that was that. And as I said, the synagogue, the Podil Synagogue, opened in late 70s. That also enhanced my understanding, helped me to understand the history, because I was always torn between being Jewish and being in Ukraine. Well, why was that? Why was I different? That question was always in the back of my mind. But that helped. And I remember I went there first. First I went with my grandmother, because when synagogue opened, she went there immediately for Yom Kippur, because she was very guilty about her parents died in World War II. And then second time we went to Simchas Torah, and I vividly still remember that holiday in synagogue, packed of people outside of the synagogue. And so that was, I think that was a good thing about Kyiv, which was actually an international city. And just beautiful.